Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall an application on your Xiaomi TV. First, you're gonna have to open the native App Store on your TV. For example, it's App Store in my case. Then you're gonna have to navigate to the App Library tab at the top of the screen and then select Installed on this TV if you have such option. This will show you the list of applications that are installed on your TV, and if you want to uninstall some of them or one of them, you just have to select this app and press the Options button or the 3 lines button on your remote control and then select Uninstall. Then confirm your choice, and in a couple of seconds this application will disappear from this list. However, you will still be able to see it either in Not Installed Applications list or in All Applications list. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.